and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself, you can look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today, we're about to be dropping the 350Z off at Works Customs, and we're about to get this thing all cleaned up, finalized, and ready for the SoCal trip. Sucks, I'm literally going there to get everything cleaned up, get this thing ready, and then I'm about to be driving it for like 6-7 hours on the freeway. So by the time I get to SoCal, it's gonna be bugs on here, probably rock chips, but whatever, you know, I'm not taping this up and doing all that shit. I'm driving down there exactly how y'all see it. Again, street car, baby. So yeah, we're gonna be cleaning this thing all up and getting it ready, man. We only got a week. We're about a week out before the SoCal trip. So again, for the people that are interested in popping up and going to the SoCal, people that are interested in coming to the SoCal trip that we're doing, it's gonna be for the Society's acoustics. And NRG, along with a few other people that are kind of hosting this event. So make sure y'all check out the community center. I posted the flyer and everything there. Your boy will be there. White Aaron's popping up with me. So if y'all want to come mingle, chill, meet me in person, say hi, what's up, high fives, all that, give a nigga some dap, feel free to pop up, man. Everybody's invited. So it's just gonna be a cool little turnout. But anywho, that's what we getting into today. So we're waiting for White Aaron right now. We're gonna take the truck because I have a gang of parts over at Works Customs. Like anytime I've swapped the part, I just left a part there. So I got hoods, FD bumper, a whole Corvette kit that needs to come home. But oh yeah, I got something else I wanted to show y'all. Y'all know that the theme behind this car is Porsche. So I went and bought some little thingers that are gonna make this thing look even more Porsche. So these got to get color matched and painted up. But dude, I think these are gonna be sick once it's all painted and shit. Painted and color matched. You don't really see these on 350Zs, but you guys know that my whole thing behind there is Porsche. So we're gonna try them. And then as far as that, underneath the hood needs to be painted. The bottom of it, that hasn't got done. Again, that doesn't fall back on Jesse. I just want to clear that up. We got this thing damn near ready for Winter Jam, and then I pulled the car to make the Winter Jam event, and then I just haven't took the car back. I was like, fuck it, it's running. Haven't had the car in over a year when it was at the body shop, so you know, I want to just get some enjoyment out of it. But now we finally get to finish it up and get this thing fully presentable, and this will be the last stop or the last time it has to go to the body shop unless it needs a respray or something fixed or whatever. We got to get this thing out. I need to move my Fox. It's crazy. Almost all the cars are home. I think everything is here except for my SC right now. We got my 350. We got my FD. We got Nita's freaking 350Z. We got my Fox. We got my C6 home. We got my 300ZX. And then we got the supercharged C5 over there too. All that's missing from the house is the SC right now. Oh yeah, can't forget about the truck. We got the truck too. I always be like excluding this thing because it's not a car, but we got the truck. Alright, let's go move this 350Z out. My boy just got here. Oh God, you taking the dog?
We got our little road companion.
Jesus, we don't need the road companion.
Dude, she's gonna be home alone for like 4 or 5 hours. I'm not trying to have her mess the house up.
That's why you get a kennel, yo. Too damn soft. Kennel.
Well, say hi, Mike. Say hi, Uncle Mike.
What's up? Pound it.
Hey, she knows how to pound it too. She's
Daisy,
like,
pound it.
Daisy,
Pound it. Pound it.
Daisy, pound it.
Pound it. She's like, man, I want to talk to this fool.
Hey.
this sucks. I was just trying to race a GT500 just now, and when I went to shift in the fourth, something definitely went wrong. No fourth. I can't get into sixth. I literally lost all the even gears. Look. It's trash. I gotta drive all the way out here in fifth gear. Hella trash. Alright, so I managed to fix it while I was driving stuck in traffic. I was messing with the shifter. What I think probably happened is it probably popped out the little cup thing that goes in there. I figured I didn't break the transmission, because these CDO 9 trans are usually good for 1,000 horsepower without a problem. So it wouldn't have made sense for me to break fourth gear with a 500 horsepower setup. Damn, this camera hella jumping. So yeah, I think the little white cup thing probably just popped out. Managed to get that thing back working. So now we got all the gears again. That was just super odd that had happened. I was like, man, here we go. This is exactly what I need before we get ready to do this SoCal trip. To be doing a transmission job on the last day, or trying to even find a CDO 9, but it's looking like we're good. So that's a big sign of relief for me. And for the GT500, man, I was on your ass, dog. I was right there until I couldn't get in fourth gear. But I got something for you. If you watching this, I want my run back when I get my LSA on, man. I want my run back for sure. All right, so we just getting here to Works. See the man himself. 350Z here. About to do the final touch-ups and cleanups on it. See the super right here. We got Nick Hogan in here. Jesse Nolan, appreciate him cutting the line and shit.
Hey, bro, you sent him. You said, hey, Mike sent me.
I did, but I didn't tell him to send back-to-back cars. Jesus. Told you, I'm about to, when I pick the 350 up, I'm coming here with 2 cars. I'm like, hey, I'm dropping off just the Fox, and I'm gonna pop up with the FD. The FD, the Fox body, possibly the truck. Bring the 350Z or bring the 300ZX over here for free storage. And
brand new trailer that he wants color matched.
Yeah, come on. Take Nick's shit and get it out of here.
Nick's big flexing.
Right? Come here dropping off 2 Supras. Who do you think you are, Nick? Alright, so we got a list in there. Y'all can see the list of things to do. So yeah, me and White Aaron about to shake and get up out of here and let Jesse do his thing. He got a lot of work to do in the next freaking 3-4 days that he has, and then after that me and Aaron need to take this, and we'll probably need about 2 days with the car. We still got to swap the 3.3 diff in, oil change, check and see why that shifter shit had happened. So definitely got a few things because it is a long trip. So want to just make sure everything is A1 100. Me and White Aaron just got back to the house. Pulled the exhaust and stuff out. Gave him the old exhaust for the 350Z. We're gonna throw that thing on his car in a little bit. So I guess I'm gonna drive the Fox over there. That way, while I wait for this company to hit me back about picking up my body kit at their shipping terminal, I could probably get my freaking hydro and everything mounted up right now. Yeah, that'll be nice. Get the hydro fully secured on the Fox. That way we can pull that thing. So I think this is gonna be about where I want the hydro at. This gives me plenty of leg room. So wait right here, pull it. So it's gonna be in there just like that. And it's away from second gear, which was the problem before. So it's perfect right there. We'll drill some holes and get this thing in there. All right, there we go. Solid. And we clear second gear. So we good.
Sound effects not
Yeah, sound effects not included. It's a DLC download content. Oh, here we go. We got Aaron being extra. I give him an exhaust and he just like, all right, let me clean it.
Hey,
you don't need to clean it.
At least I take care of it. I gotta get Mike bumper off of it.
My old melted bumper. Bro, you're gonna be here all the way until tomorrow doing this.
Look, they're coming off in big pieces. Have a little patience.
You gonna polish it too or what?
Probably. For real. Satisfying for all the viewers.
Right? Satisfying content. I'm
Right.
gonna name this video Satisfying Content. Should have did when I was vacuuming the freaking 50.
Make an ASMR video.
All you see is hella dust getting sucked into the vacuum cleaner in like a straight line.
There you go.
Ooh, we onto something here.
We are onto something.
Maybe we should start filling up like oil, and when we do coolant, do it in slow-mo so people can see the water ripples and all that.
Hey, let us know down in the comments section.
Let us know down below if y'all want some satisfying car content. So I just got the call and said that I can head out to SAG to go pick up the body kit for the Fox body. So I'm about to jump in the truck and head to SAG. About to be in probably about an hour and a half of traffic, but we got the okay from the shipping company to come there and pick it up because I'm impatient and your boy don't feel like waiting until Monday to get the body kit. So pick that thing up right now and maybe get that thing on tomorrow. So let's go head out. All right, just getting here to the FedEx station. About to go in here, talk to these people, and see what's up with this. Get this package and load it all up and stuff. So I'll be back with y'all shortly. You know, I don't want to walk in here recording and stuff. There it is. You got the full kit right here. Alright, so we unloading the kit right now. Got the side skirts in there, and then they sent me 2 rear bumpers instead of the front. So, kit is wrong. Come on, LMR. Come on. Drove like an hour, 20 minutes here in traffic. Hella mad. Good thing I opened it instead of just loading it up. Alright, so just now getting back home, man, and I can't make this shit up. I really can't. Like, I literally drove like an hour and 20 minutes in traffic to go pick this kid up because they kept fucking up the delivery. It's gonna be here on the 22nd. It's gonna be here on the 23rd. Oh, scheduled for the 24th. And I decided to go out there, pick up everything. That way I can get this kid on the Fox. That way I can take it back to 650, have them button up everything, and then when I pick up the 350Z, I could drop this off to go get painted. But now it's like, here we are Friday. They're not gonna even be able to return my call or see my email until at least Monday. And bam, there goes like the rest of the week waiting on shipping. So that shit sucks. I must say, LMR dropped the ball big time on this one, man. And I can't make it up. So yeah, like the rest of this weekend, because I was planning on knocking this out, is like all fucked up. So that sucks. But yeah, anywho, we're just gonna close this video out and call it a night, man.